Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to check manufacture date of this laptop. So the first thing you'll have to do is press the combination of F1 key and escape at the same time. Once you do that, you'll open up HP system information, and right in front of you you can see the serial number, and basically just by the serial number you can check the manufacture date of your laptop. If you take a look at the 4th, 5th and 6th digits of the serial number, right here for me it's 207, so the 2 is the last digit of the manufacture year. So for me it would be 2022, so my laptop was manufactured in 2022, and then 07 is the number of the week of the year. So the seventh week, it must be the February. So my laptop was manufactured in February 2022. But if I want to get more precise, then expand this tab and go into your browser and input HP check warranty. You'll see the first result will be your local website for checking warranty. Let me translate the page for you. Okay. Select the country of purchase, then copy the serial number from here and paste it right here. Select send, and we will also need the product number, so copy it from here. As you can see, it says that we need a product number for this device too, so paste the product number right here and select send. And so basically, as you can see, the start date of the warranty is February 21, 2022. So it must be the date of manufacture. So that's basically how you check the manufacture date on your laptop. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching it. Consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.